Lakeland, Florida. The birds of beautiful Mun Lake. White ducks, white pelicans, white swans. The blackbirds, the anhingas hang out together, and the white birds, birds of a feather, hang out together. It's a sweet day, and the anhingas are all splashing in the water. Rows of them. They're down here out of the cold, just like the human beings. Yahoo. Big, giant, enormous Methodist church. Now, who goes here, and what are they doing with all that infrastructure? And then there's the library and the spectacular little Lakeland Art Museum, which is going to be a familiar place and a home to those who care about diners and the old highway, neon signs, cabin courts, and the adventures of an important photographer named Christine Gaydon. The home and the launching place. The home and the launching place of an archive of photographs from the American roadside archivists. The one that collects the pictures and the stories and the memories of the road of the mid-20th century. This is a powerful and important place. Edward Hopper and Guy Penet Dubois. Guy. Okay. All right, this is it. The same parking lot is shared by the funky Lakeland Library and the great little free art museum connected with the Smithsonian, just like the Society for Commercial Archaeology, and also connected with this fine rose garden. I mean, fine rose garden. This rose garden is usually and almost always looking wonderful. Usually and almost always looking wonderful. Do shabadi da karabakotosho. Usually and almost always looking wonderful. Ha ha ha.